Hey guys, Mrs. Bro here. Coming to help you with the quiz for week 5, probability. So first thing we want to look at, this is an example similar to number 1. It says the probability that an event will occur is 2/9. Which of these best describes the likelihood of an event occurring? And then it gives you 5 options. So I'm going to quickly go to another slide that goes through those options with you. So this is our scale. It goes from impossible to certain. So impossible means it will not happen. That means there's a 0% chance. It's 0 out of 10. Okay? Unlikely means it might not happen. This one has a little bit of a range. It's anywhere from 0.1, let's just say 1%, right? Anything bigger than 0%, all the way to 49%. Or I can say, insert the fraction, make it a little prettier. Right, I can say it's all the way from 1/10 all the way to 4/10. Okay? Even chance, 50-50 chance means, of course, exactly 50%. There's exactly a 50% chance. Or we can say 1/2. Right? There's a 1/2 chance of getting it. Likely means it might happen. That's anywhere from 51% all the way to 99%, which means as a fraction, it is 6/10 all the way to 9/10. And then certain, it means it's guaranteed to happen. That is 100% or 10/10, 10 out of 10. Okay, so those are some examples. Let's go back to our question and see where it falls. I'm looking at 2/9. I know half of 9 is 4.5, so that would be our even chance. And this falls less than that. So I'm going to say this is unlikely. So that would be my answer for this example. Number 2, the probability that an event will occur is 67%. Which of these best describes? So again, it's multiple choice. We're looking at the scale. 67% is larger than 50%. So larger than 50% means it is likely. It is likely. So that would be my answer for number 2. Number 3, a store has 26 pairs of pants and 38 shirts. The clothes are stored in a large bin. What is the probability that a shirt is selected at random? So this one's a little more math involved. What I have to do is find the relative probability, which means, let me insert a fraction bar. Yep, a lot of fractions this unit. So it is the number of desired outcomes divided by the total number of trials or options, pretty much. So for instance, what I'm going to have here is I'm looking for my number of shirts. So I'm going to put my number of shirts, which is 38, divided by how many items I have total. So 38 plus 26. So 8 plus 6 is 14, carry the 1, 3 plus 3 is 6, so over 64. And then I would divide, pull out my calculator. No, I mean the car. Okay, calculator. So 38 divided by 64, sorry about that. The video popped up. So 38 divided by 64 would be 0.594. So then I would convert it to a percent, which would be 59.4%. So that would be my final answer. This is how you would do that. It probably just asks you to leave it as a fraction or a simplified fraction. If you're not sure which one to pick, you can always simplify them to decimals and see which one's which. Remember, to go from a fraction to a decimal, you divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay? Moving on to number 4. This one is a little bit of reading, so you got to break it down. It says, a spinner is divided into 4 different colored sections. The probability of an arrow landing on a green section is 20%. I'm going to write that down so I don't forget. So green is 20%. The probability of the arrow landing on a red section is 35%. The probability of landing on a purple section is 15%. What is the probability of landing on the remaining blue section? So the last section left is blue. It wants to know the probability. Well, I know that since there's only 4 colors, all of these have to add up to be 100%. Right? So we got to figure out what do we do? So 20 plus 35 is 55. 55 plus 15. Well, 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, so then 55 plus 1, 65, or plus 10 is 65, plus another 10, 75. It'd be 70. I can use my calculator. 20 plus 35 plus 15 is 70. So then I'm going to do 100 minus 70. That will give me 30% for blue. Okay, because all of these added up were 70, so that tells me I gotta add 30 to get to that full 100. So that's how you do number 4. If you guys have any questions, I am doing a Zoom Tuesday and Thursday at 3 p.m. So let me know. Have a great day. Bye, guys.